Hi guys, Coach Strong here. I want to talk to you today about getting strong, defined legs. So there's so many people out there chasing like the latest and greatest training technique, and these thanks to these Instagram models with this whole booty phenomenon thing that's happening. Well, I want to tell you that it doesn't take many exercises, but it does take hard work, okay? But the foundation is in some old school techniques. And it's not rocket science. It's not like some special thing that you do that's going to get one part of your butt to pop or your legs to pop. But it's the technique. It's how you do it. And it's also like your repertoire, like how many sets and reps you do as well, and how you vary it up. If you're doing short versus full movements and fast versus slow. So everybody's body responds differently, and over time your body adapts to what you're doing, so you have to mix it up. And that's just the way it is. And I just wanted to share with you some of my favorite exercises that I like to do for legs that helps to pop definition and also strengthens them and gives them some fullness as well. So stick around to the end of this video here, and I'll show you in person like my different exercises, and I'll talk you through it so you don't get confused. I try to keep things as simple and direct as possible. So subscribe my video. If you don't do it at the end, do it now, and then I can supply you with more of this great information and demonstrations. Stick around. Stiff-legged deadlifts. Now with these ones, you would think that your legs would be locked out, but they're not. So there's a slight bend in your knee, prevents you from using your lower back. You don't want to do that. You want to isolate your hamstrings and your glutes, and then your chest is coming up at the same time, so you don't round your shoulders at all. Head up, you see when I start, and pulling the weight up. So with your shoulders back, you're actually using your back muscles to assist your legs, but you're primarily focusing on your hamstrings and glutes to do all the work. Slow and controlled. Elevate your back leg on a bench or a chair, stable. Pull your shoulders back so you keep your chest up high. You're just isolating your standing leg, letting the weight pull you down, and you're pressing right back up. Try not to use your assisted leg as much as possible. You should feel it in your leg and your glutes. Here we're going to have the weight balance between our legs with your legs split wide, and you're just going to dip down and grab the bar, grip onto it tight, keep the chest up high, and lift up with your legs. So you're kind of balancing the weight with both of your legs. You're splitting the weight here, and you're really going to feel this in your glutes, especially your working leg in the front. When you're done with your first set on your right side or left side, whichever side you want to start with, you're going to change it up, move to the other side. And I'm just showing you two different angles so you can see what it looks like here. You don't have to turn the weight yourself, and just for demonstration purposes, obviously. Here we go. Instead of using two legs, we're just going to use one leg on the leg press machine. I'm going to isolate one leg at a time. So you can see my foot is kind of on the middle part of the platform, maybe up a little bit higher. I'm trying to target my glutes and my hamstrings more than my quads on this movement. But you get it everywhere, trust me. And when you're controlling the weight on the way down, you're really going to feel everything. And then when you push up, you're going to push up with your heel, and you can feel your hamstring and your glute more when you do that. So I'm just using my other foot to assist if I'm needing it, if I have a weaker leg or just need the extra help, but not too much help. Just stabilization.